Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile officially. Okay, let's get started without wasting so much time. Once you log into your Facebook application, look for the three bars at the top. We normally call them the hamburger sign. Now locate settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, after clicking on settings and privacy, then click on settings, then scroll down, locate audience and visibility, then click followers and public content. Now change this from public to friends. Okay, that one just leave it at public. Then this one, make sure that it is on friends or only me. Okay, then the next option, it is in public. Now change it to friends. Okay, just change everything here to friends. Okay, let me just show you how to do it real quick. Okay, this is the last one, friends. Then click on the arrow back button. Now locate profile and tagging. Here, who can post on your profile, make sure that it's only you, then only you, just like that. Okay, the way I've done everything here, change it from public to only you. Okay, then click on the arrow back button. Okay, just click on the arrow back button, go back to your main Facebook screen, then tap on your profile picture. Now it will be to the left. Now click on the three dots here at the right. Now you will see the options for locking your profile. In this case, I cannot see the option because I've turned on the professional mode. Now let me just turn it off. Continue, then turn off, then close, then refresh it once again. Now you will see the options for locking profile. Now just tap on that option, then lock the profile. Easy peasy. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found help in this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thank you.